This is the reality of the RV lifestyle. You come home and tell your wife, guess what, honey? We're buying an RV and we traveling around in it. And she says, oh, wonderful. Let's go pick one out. So they go to the RV dealer, and the RV dealer shows them some nice recreational vehicles. And the dealer explains, you're going to love this one. We've got stacked washer and dryer in it. We've got a beautiful kitchen, fully equipped. We've got plugs throughout the floor of the RV where you can plug in a vacuum. And then it finally dawns on the wife. I says, what kind of vacation is this for me? I've got to wash clothes, cook meals, and clean the house. Instead of staying in a hotel room and eating out. Yeah, husband says, oh yeah, you won't mind it because we're going to have this beautiful RV. She says, it's not looking too beautiful for me right now.